Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about a little piece of heaven that's especially delightful during the monsoon season in Bangalore. It's none other than Anand's signature Gulab Jamun. Oh, just saying the name makes my mouth water. Now, if you haven't yet experienced the magic of these lush, golden brown delights, let me paint a picture for you. Picture this. It's a cool, rainy day in Bangalore. The streets are bustling, the rain is tapping melodically on the rooftops, and there's this irresistible aroma wafting through the air. That's right, it's coming from Anand's, the home of the most delectable Gulab Jamuns you'll ever taste. These aren't just any sweets. They are a perfect blend of khoya, sugar, and finely chopped dry nuts, skillfully rolled into small balls and fried at just the right temperature. The secret? They're fried slowly on a low flame, ensuring they are evenly cooked to a perfect golden brown before they float to the surface, begging to be devoured. And then comes the best part. These warm, soft dough balls are then soaked in a rich, saffron-infused sugar syrup. The saffron not only adds a beautiful colour, but an aroma and flavour that's both earthy and sophisticated. And let's not forget the subtle notes of rose that gently unfold as you bite into these juicy, sugary spheres. Now, you might find other variations out there, but trust me, nothing compares to Anand's original recipe. It's not just about the ingredients, it's about the love, the tradition, and the perfect timing that goes into making each batch. Every bite transports you back to simpler times, enveloping you in warmth and a sense of nostalgia. It's like a hug in the form of a dessert. So, why is the Gulab Jamun the ultimate monsoon treat, you ask? Well, there's something about the cool, damp weather that makes you crave something warm and sweet. And Anand's Gulab Jamun offers just that. A comforting, indulgent escape from the chilly rain outside. So next time those clouds gather and the rain begins to fall, you know where to head. Grab a plate of Anand's Gulab Jamun, sit back, and let the flavours dance in your mouth as you listen to the rhythm of the rain. And hey, if you're a fan of this monsoon delight or have your own rainy day comfort food, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what makes your monsoon special. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Until next time, keep enjoying those little moments of joy. #Anand Sweets, #Gulab Jamun, #Rain Weather, #Monsoon Special, #Made in India.